talk about the Goa Medical College, one comes to mind, one controversy one comes to mind, that recruitment is all from one constituency.
Actually, I don't think, because there are so many people. Like in my dean's office only, I had 4 or 5 people who were from Santander itself, and I used to make fun of them. Arey, you are this fellow's person, no? I swear you can also go and verify. I don't think. Maybe some people have got the details of it, because the recruitment which is done in GMC under director admin, I don't know exactly whether they are all from same constituency, but I have met in my own dean's office people from Taligaon, people from Santandre, so we cannot say that are from one.
So basically, you're saying that not only people from Valpoya are
Yeah.
there in GMC. Okay, Valpoya was Sattari.